Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this slow motion video on CapCut PC. So just select this video here, and to make it slow motion, go to speed and adjust the slide to the left side. You can adjust it to up to like 0.1x speed. That's the slowest one, but I'll just do 0.5. If you have Pro, make sure you enable smooth slow motion and enable optical flow because it does make the slow motion look better. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. It's still loading, so it's not going to look good, but I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Just waiting for this to end so I can kind of show you before I end this video. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.